Alright, these are the two motors that I'm going to be doing a comparison on. They're not exactly the same, but you know, the concept is similar. This is a Honda copy motor, basically. It's the TX874, and it is 15 horsepower. So, very similar. Exhaust outlet there, spark plug there, carburetor. And you'll notice that the spacer is exactly the same. Even the carby actually looks like a complete copy. You've got choke up the top, fuel down the bottom. So here you got your exhaust out the back, but it's coming out perpendicular. You got the spark plug there, same spot. Carburetor is pretty much exactly the same. Choke up the top, fuel cut off down the bottom, but this one is the GX340, 11 horsepower and electric start. So these are the two ones. I'm just going to be doing the emissions comparison, and just with it's not a auto one, this is just a safety emissions analyzer for confined spaces. So it's an Australian bought item, probably made in China, but I'd say most things are. See how we go.